Did you guys know that every single hour a bank is being hacked in the US? Yes, you don't hear about it. Yes, it does make the news because it's so often, it's so day-to-day occurrence that nobody already cares. Also, the projection of the growth of the cybersecurity industry in 2025 is projected 33%. This is a staggering number. 1/3 of the industry is going to grow. So today, we're going to cover the topic of cybersecurity experts and the visas that are available for you to come to the US and work and maybe even get a green card. Also, you will learn today how to get a free evaluation of your case. And before I begin, guys, smash the like button, press the bell button after you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's critical not to miss the 2 videos that I release on a weekly basis. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, we're discussing the cybersecurity industry and what are the visas that are available for this particular industry. But first things first, let's talk about the common professions that are in a huge demand for cybersecurity. Number 1, security engineers. Of course, this profession is very important because you guys build the architecture of the defenses and all kind of layers available for the industry to be protected from hackers attacks, from leaks, from DOS attacks, and things like that. Penetration testers. What a word, guys, right? We all know that basically it's a fancy word for ecological hackers who test the systems trying to break inside of them. Very, very good profession. Security consultants. This profession kind of brings the new technology and solution and innovation to the businesses and provide for the best advice and recommendation how to protect the electronic files. Chief Information Security Officer. This is the top ranked official in a bigger corporation who's responsible for overall protection of the company and the files. Cybersecurity analyst, last but not least, because this is the specialist who live streaming the data of what's happening with the files, with the attacks, with the securities, insecurities, so also very important. Now, what are the visa choices are the best for these professions and related? Well, I have 3 options for you to choose from. Number 1, O1A talent visa. This visa is good for those of you who, first of all, want to test the waters and see if you like the States, or if you need to come to the States as fast as possible, because this is the fast track visa among all available to your profession. It allows you to get 3 years of work and living in the US with your family, your spouse and the kids below 21 years old. And also, this is a good foundation to jumpstart to EB-1A or EB-2 NIW visas, which I'm going to discuss next. To get O1 visa approved, we need to satisfy 3 criteria out of the 8 available, but I usually like to get 5 criteria. And guys, most of you already have 2-3 criteria without even knowing it. Which are those? Your commercial success, critical leading role in a company with distinguished reputation, and judging the work of other professionals. Okay? Don't ask me how, don't ask me why. Just trust me on that, guys. Most of you have those, and some of you have more, like contribution in the industry, maybe professional association. So a lot of time, you guys not aware that certain visa is available to you unless you get a free evaluation. And I'm going to talk about it in a minute. The second visa is EB-1A for those of you who decided to connect to the US for life and get a green card for yourself and for your family. Same thing. Mama, Papa, and 2 kids all will get the green cards once you get the approval. For EB-1A, I want to have 6 criteria out of the 8. And O1 and EB-1A are related visas, same criteria, different depth, of course. For O1, we need to provide less evidence, for EB-1A more. Also, O1 requires an employer However, you can become an employer to yourself, especially if you're an entrepreneur in this sphere and you also have ideas how to start up your business in the US. EB-1A is self-petition. We don't need to have an employer. If we have one, no problem. But ultimately, we can get you approved without that. And also very important to understand that 2, 3, sometimes 4 criteria could be improved and strengthened while working on your case with my team for the next 6 months when I lead your case. And we have all the resources to help you with that. And last, but also not least, EB-2 NIW, National Interest Waiver. This one, for those of you who have more education, who have ideas how to make things better in the US, and of course, in the cybersecurity, this is bringing new soft, bringing new hardware, bringing new ideas, innovations, layers to cybersecurity to protect the finance, protect the cloud, protect the architecture, and things like that. So if you have the ideas, if you have the platform to help you as businesses in the cybersecurity sector, you will be able to get a green card with EB-2 NIW. Same green card as EB-1A. Besides the fundamental differences between these two visas, we also have another thing that's very important. EB-2 NIW is a longer visa. You need to go for probably 2.5 years from the beginning of your case till you get your visa in the passport. And when I say visa in the immigrant categories, EB categories, that means a green card, okay? And I know sometimes you guys get confused with Stanislav. Okay, I got a visa, when I get the green card, well, it is green card, okay? It's just the way they phrase those things is a little weird. Now, EB-1A is about 1.5 years, and O1 is about 8 to 9 months, okay? So by priority, O1, EB-1A, EB-2 NIW, from easy year to more complicated, from faster to longer. Of course, it's all subjective. Sometimes EB-1A could be more complicated than EB-2 NIW, but in general, that's how I put them. O1, EB-1A, EB-2 NIW. In my career, guys, I have a lot of cases from IT, in particular from cybersecurity, and all these visas we're getting approved. 99% chance of approval with O1, 90% with EB-1A and 90% with EB-2 NIW. What is the potential in your case, and can you get one of those visas? Well, you can know really fast within 2 days without paying a penny. You need to do the free evaluation of your case. What is it? There's a link below this video. Go down there, click on the link, fill out the questionnaire, send it to me. Wait for up to 2 days. I will break down the facts that you provided to me. I'll give you the best visas, the criteria, and look for the word potential. If you see the word potential, that means that you have the green light to the second step, the complex immigration planning, where I will build the written winning strategy in your case. And the third step would be hiring my company for the complete case filing and to go with us for the next 6 months. So your immigration to the US is easy as 1, 2, 3. Free evaluation, complex immigration planning, and complete case filing. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Facebook, and all the links are below this video. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.